Good morning, everyone. We are going to start chapter number 5th, that is expansion formula. Okay, let me share my screen with you. Expansion formula. Expansion formulae. Just a minute. Okay. So in expansion formulae, what is meant by expansion formulae? We are going to expand this sum, okay, with the help of formulae. With the help of what? Formulae. So we are going to solve the sum. We are going to solve the sum with the help of formulae. So that's why this is known as expansion. Okay, we are expanding the things and find the solution with the help of formulae. Okay, now here a question is a plus 2, a minus. So before that, uh, one formula is there. Just a minute. A plus B. A plus B, this formula we have learnt in standard 7. A plus B the whole square. A plus B the whole square. A plus B square means what? A square plus 2AB. This formula we need to learn in chapter number 5. A square plus 2AB. There are many more formulas in chapter number 5th. So A square plus 2AB plus B square. This formula we have learnt in standard 7. Yes? We have learned this formula in standard 7. Very good. A square plus 2AB plus B square. Very good, Tanmay. So A square plus 2AB plus B square. This kind of formula we have learned. Okay. A square plus 2AB plus B square. Again, one of the formula we have learned, that is A minus B square. A minus B square. This is quite tricky. Very good, Tanmay. See how nicely she has taken a slate and write the formulas and show it to me. Very nice. Okay. Tanmay, you are creative one. Okay. A minus B square is equal to what it is? A square minus 2A. A square minus 2AB plus what? B square. Okay. This is the formula of A minus B square. So A plus B square is equal to A square plus 2AB plus B square. Right? And A minus B square is equal to A square minus 2AB plus B square. Okay, these two formulas we have learnt in standard 7. Now again one more formula, that is A minus B, A plus B. What the formula of A minus B and A plus B? What is the formula of A minus B, A plus B? A minus B, A plus B. What the formula is? A minus B, A plus B. That is A square minus B square. Very good. A square minus B square. Very good. Okay. So A minus B, A plus B is equal to what? A square minus B square. These are the basic formulas, okay, that we have already learned in standard 7. A plus B square is equal to A square plus 2AB plus B square. A minus B square is equal to A square minus 2AB plus B square. A minus B, A plus B is equal to A square minus B square. Okay, all these formulas that we have learned in standard 7. Now in this practice set 5.1, question number 1 is A plus 2 A minus 1. So which formula is there? Which formula is there? That is this formula. Okay, A minus B, A plus B. Now this practice set is based on expansion. So what we will do, this A plus 2 bracket is multiplying to this A minus 1 bracket. है ना? a plus 2 is multiplying to this a minus whole bracket, a plus 2 a minus 1. बट ये a plus 2 जो है ये ब्रैकेट को पूरी तरीके से मल्टीप्लाइंग के फॉर्म में है. ठीक है, तो फर्स्ट ब्रैकेट का ईच एंड एवरी नंबर एंड ईच एंड एवरी कंपोनेंट इज मल्टीप्लाइंग टू द सेकेंड ब्रैकेट, है ना. अगर ये पूरा ब्रैकेट सेकेंड ब्रैकेट को मल्टीप्लाई है, दैट मीन्स ये a भी a माइनस 1 को मल्टीप्लाई है, ये 2 भी a माइनस 1 को मल्टीप्लाई है. समझ में आ रहा है? एवरीवन प्लीज पे अटेंशन. योगित प्लीज पे अटेंशन. Dhananjay, I can't see you. Okay. So see here, a plus 2 is multiplying to the whole bracket a minus 1. Yes. Now, first of all, this a get multiplying to this a minus 1. पहले ये a जो है वो a minus 1 को multiply करेगा. फिर plus 2. फिर ये 2 भी a minus 1 को multiply करेगा. Again, I repeating. See, a get multiplied to this a minus 1. Plus sign remain as it is. This 2 will comes afterward, and then again it will multiply to this a minus 1. A into a minus 1 plus 2 into a minus 1. Why we did this? Because this a is also multiplying to this a minus 1, and this 2 is also getting multiplying to this a minus 1. Now a multiplied by a means how much? A square. Minus a into 1 means what? A. Plus 2 multiplied by a means what? 2a. Plus into minus, minus 2 ones are 2. ठीक है? Now a square remain as it is. This minus a plus 2a. Now a के आगे कोई भी number है क्या? No. So that means we consider it as 1. So 2 minus 1 is how much? 2 minus 1? 1. साइन बिगर नंबर का आएगा. वाई सी माइनस 1 बिगर है कि 2 बिगर है? 2 इज बिगर, सो 2 का साइन यहाँ पे आएगा प्लस. माइनस 2 विल रिमेन एज इट इज. सो द आंसर इज a स्क्वायर प्लस a माइनस इक्वल टू 0. ठीक है? अगेन आई विल रिपीट दिस, प्लीज पे अटेंशन. Again, I'm repeating this. Please pay attention, everyone. Just a second. Okay. Now here, first bracket is a plus 2. Second bracket is a minus 1. Okay. Now, this a is getting multiplying to a minus 1. This a is getting multiplying to this a minus 1. Okay. Now, plus sign will remain as it is. Then 2 will comes. Okay. This 2 will again get multiplying to this a minus 1. Okay. Now, again, when this a get multiplying to a, समझ में आ रहा है? ये स्टेप ना सबको समझ में आ जाना चाहिए. सी, a get multiplying to a minus 1 plus 2 get multiplying to a minus 1. Now a multiplied by a is how much? A का square. A into a is how much? A square. ठीक है? A into a means what? A square. So a plus 2, a minus 1. So a into a minus 1 plus 2 into a minus 1. Now a get multiplying to this a means what? A square. Minus 1 into a means what? Minus 1a. You can write it down 1a because 1 don't have any value. We can write it as 1. Plus 2 into a means what? 2a. Minus 2 ones are how much? 2. Okay, as we solve many problem, your doubts will getting clear. Now, A square will remain as it is. क्यों हमने इसका addition subtraction किया? Because here is also A, here is also A. Same terms है. -1A plus 2A. तो पहले हम numbers का addition करेंगे. 2 minus 1 is how much? 2 minus 1 is 1. और sign bigger number का देंगे. Bigger number 2 है या 1 है? 2 है. तो हम यहाँ पे लिखेंगे plus 2 minus 1 is 1. तो 1 आएगा. 1A minus 2 will remain as it is. Minus 2 remain as it is. Understood, everyone? First, A get, again I repeating, please pay attention. A into A minus 1 plus 2 into A minus 1. Then A into A means A square. Correct? A into A means what? A square. Minus 1 into A means minus 1A plus 2 into A means plus 2A. Minus 2 ones are 2. Minus 1 plus 2. First, do the numbers, okay, then afterward variables. This is known as variable. Alphabet में, maths में alphabet को क्या बोलते हैं? Variables. ठीक है? This is known as numbers and these are known as variables. We cannot call it as letter. Okay, we cannot call it as alphabets or letter. In maths, these letters or alphabets are known as variables. Okay, so first we add numbers and then variables. So my 2 minus 1 is 1. A will remain as it is. 2A में से 1A गया तो कितना बचा? 1A only. Minus sign will remain as it is. 2 remain as it is. So the answer is A square minus 1A plus 1A minus 2. Okay? Clear, everyone? Now we'll do other sums. So M minus 4, M plus 6. Okay? Just a minute. M minus 4. And here it will come M plus 6. M minus 4, M plus 6. Okay. First step will be what? Who will tell me? What will be the first step? Who will give me answer of first step? First step का answer कौन बताएगा? Ankit, where is Ankit? Ankit, I have unmuted you. Just unmute yourself.
Yes, teacher.
First step. Yes.
Teacher, on M in bracket upper square M square.
What?
M.
Okay, Radhika will help us. Mute yourself, Ankit. Radhika.
Hello, teacher.
Hello.
Teacher, then we will write M plus 6.
What will be there?
M plus 6 bracket close.
M plus 6. Okay. Bracket close.
Bracket close.
Yes.
Then minus sign.
Yes.
Then sorry, 4.
4. Okay. Then
Bracket open M plus 6.
very good. Okay. What will be the next step? See here. Pay attention. What happened? This M get multiplied. M plus 6 minus sign will be there as it is. This 4 will get multiplying to this M plus 6. Nimisha. Nimisha, next step.
Hello.
Okay, bolo.
Yes, teacher. Then M and then Q, teacher. Up there will be square, right?
Which square? Which
Teacher.
किसका square आएगा? You're telling right. Don't be nervous. And
And then is equals to
what this bracket means? What this bracket means? This bracket means this m is getting multiplying to this m plus 6. This bracket means this 4 is getting multiplying to this m plus 6. Now what we are going to do? We will first multiply this m into m. Then this m get multiplying to this 6. This bracket indicates that this m is getting multiplying to this whole m plus 6. Yes. Now, first of all, this m is getting multiplying to this m. So the answer will be m into m means what? M square. Yes. Now a plus sign will be there. So we'll write here plus sign. Then m into 6 is how much? 6m. M square plus 6m. Okay. Next is Pooja Kumari.
Yes.
Next step.
Teacher, we have to add.
What we have to add? What we have to add?
Ma'am, 6.
No. Tanvi, unmute yourself.
Yes, teacher.
Bolo, what is this step? Now only I told.
Teacher, we have 4 and 6.
No. Vedika,
it's minus 4m.
very good. Minus 4m because this 4 is getting multiplying to this. Sorry. This 4 is getting multiplying to this m. Now only I told. This bracket indicates that this 4 is getting multiplying to the whole bracket. So 4 is multiplying to m, that is 4m. Minus into plus
Yes.
is minus, and 4 6 are 24.
24, teacher.
Yes, simple है, कुछ भी नहीं है. Okay.
Teacher, can I unmute?
Yes, mute yourself. Now m into
Okay,
m,
teacher, thank you.
m square. 6 into m is 6m. Minus 4 into m, 4m. Minus 4 6 are 24. Okay. Now which terms are similar over here? 6m and 4m. 6m and 4m. So m square will remain as it is. Sorry. So m square will remain as it is over here. Plus 6m minus 4m will be what? Plus 6m minus 4m. Pratik Shetty. Plus 6m minus 4m.
Hello, teacher.
Plus 6m minus 4m.
Teacher, m square plus 2m minus 24.
Okay. Plus 6 minus 4 is how much? Plus 2. 6 minus
Yeah.
4 is 2. And the sign of bigger number, that is 6, is plus. So plus sign will give 2m minus 24. Yes, very good. Okay. M square plus 2m minus 24. समझा सबको?
Yes, teacher.
Okay. Mute yourself. Now
Okay,
m
teacher.
into m plus 6 minus sign will be there 4 into m plus 6. Now this bracket means this m is getting multiplying to this m plus 6 minus 4 getting multiplying to this m plus 6 again. Now m multiply by m square. 6 multiplied by m is 6m. 4 multiplying to m means 4m. Multiplying to 6, 4 6 are 24. Now m square plus 6 minus 4 plus 2 minus 24. ठीक है? These kinds of sums will be there till 10th standard. ये sums 9th में भी है, ये sums 10th में भी है. अभी भी 10th standard में ये sums है. ठीक है? You should be very careful and very attentive while doing these kinds of sums. If you will not understood these sums, you cannot, your basics will not get clear. Okay? So these kinds of sums you must know. Okay? आपको practice बहुत करना है ये sums पे. आपको सबसे पहले क्या करना है, दोनों ब्रैकेट एक दूसरे को मल्टीप्लाई के फॉर्म में है, तो सबसे पहले ये m मल्टीप्लाई होगा m प्लस 6 के साथ, फिर माइनस साइन है इसके लिए हमने माइनस साइन दिया, फिर 4 मल्टीप्लाई m प्लस 6 के साथ, फिर ये ब्रैकेट अगेन क्या रिप्रेजेंट करता है कि m गेटिंग मल्टीप्लाइंग टू दिस m, तो m मल्टीप्लाई बाय m मतलब m स्क्वायर, m into 6 means 6m, 4 into m is 4m, 4 6 are 24. Now how to give sign? Plus into plus plus, plus into plus plus. Now minus 4 into m, minus into plus minus, and minus into plus is minus again. इसके लिए यहाँ पे हमने minus sign दिया है. Minus into plus is minus. Okay, you can note it down. You can note down this sum, or else you can take screenshot of it. All right. Okay. Now we'll do one more sum. Now I'll ask anyone, pay attention everyone. We'll do one more sum, that is x plus 9, x minus 4. X plus 9.
Yes, teacher.
What happened?
Teacher, you unmuted me.
Okay, by mistakenly it was happened. X plus 9, x minus 4. X plus 9, x minus 4. Okay, solve it. Now I solve it, then I will tell you how to do this. Okay, answer me in chat box of this question. X plus 9, x minus 4. X plus 9, x minus 4. What will be the first step, Tejashri? What
Yes,
will be the first step?
Teacher, first we have to write x
Okay,
bracket open x minus 4
very good.
and bracket close
Okay, sorry.
plus
I will take plus sign.
and then 9
Okay,
bracket open
okay,
x minus 4 and bracket close.
very good. Okay. Siddhi,
Teacher,
second step.
x square,
Okay.
x into x is x square,
Okay.
and then x into 4 minus 4x,
Okay.
and then plus 9x, 9 into 4 9x,
Okay.
and then 9 into 4 is minus 36 plus 9 into 4,
Okay.
and then teacher x square minus 2x as
Now you can mute yourself, Siddhi.
okay teacher.
Arya will help us. Arya Naik.
Teacher, can I say?
Ah,
Okay. X square
square
plus 5x
plus 5x. Very good.
minus 36.
How you did this?
Teacher, because I have minus the number 9 minus 4,
Yes,
and then I have get the answer 5x minus 36.
correct. See, इनको नहीं समझा है वो ध्यान देंगे. X square minus 4x plus 9x minus 9 4 जा 36. Now plus 9 minus 4 is 5. X will remain as it is. 9x minus 4x is 5x, but we'll give the sign of bigger number, that is plus 5x. So x square plus 5x minus 36 is the answer. Yes. Okay. What happened, Pratik? All right. Next. Next sum. Everyone got the answer? Everyone lower down your hand, first of all. Lower down your hands. When I will ask you the question, that time only you can raise your hands. Okay? Now the next question is, three x plus 4y second bracket is 3x plus 5y. X plus 4y, second bracket is 3x plus 5y. Okay, Radhika Das. Radhika, I have unmuted you now one time.
Yes, teacher.
Okay. So you have given me answer.
Teacher, I have started solving just now.
Jay Kharade.
Yes, teacher.
3x plus 4y, 3x plus 5y.
3x,
3x
bracket open, 3x
3x
plus 5y,
plus 5y.
bracket close,
Yes.
plus 4y,
Sorry. Just a minute. Plus 4y.
bracket open,
Okay.
3x
3x
plus 5y,
plus 5y. Good. Arey. Okay. Now next step, who will tell me? Harshada will tell me.
Hello, ma'am.
Okay. Next step.
Teacher, 3x square
3x into 3x is
6x.
no,
Sorry, 9x.
3x into 3x means 3x square. You are correct first time. Okay? 3x into 3x is what? 3x square. Next. चलो first.
Then 5y plus 5y.
No.
Then
3x into 3x is 3x square. 3x into 5y. Okay, here no similar terms are there, right? Here x is there, here y is there. So x into y means xy. First of all, what you need to do? First multiply numbers. Okay, when the conditions are like this, 3x is there and 5y is also there. So what you will do? You will multiply the number first. First multiply the numbers and then variables. Okay. In mathematics, we never call these letters as alphabets or letters. These letters or alphabets, we call it as variables. What we call it as variables. Now 3 into 5 is how much? First multiply numbers. So 3 5s are 15 and x into y means how much? xy. 3x into y is how much? xy. So 3x into 3x is 3x square. 3 5s are 15, x into y is xy. Now Harshada, tell me the next step. This one. Yes, this is also the same like this. Okay. Jay, your turn. Over. Harshada don't know the answer. Okay, Tanmay will help us. Yes, bolo beta.
Hello, teacher.
Yes.
Teacher, the 15xy, then 4 multiplied by 3 is equals to 12.
Yes, very good. 4 3s are 12. First we will multiply numbers. So 4 3s are 12. So we'll write here 12. And then after that,
Y multiplied by x is equals to xy.
yes, y multiplied by x is nothing but yx, or we can write it as xy.
Yes.
Then next term,
Plus 4 multiplied by 5.
4 multiplied by 5. How much?
20. And
20.
teacher, there both are y.
Y
Both are y
yes, y into y is how much?
square.
I square. Very good. Okay. So 3 into x. 3x into 3x is 3x square. Plus 3 into 5 means 15. X into y is xy. 4 into 3, 12. X into y, xy. Then 4 into 5, 20. Y into y, y square. Okay. Now,
Yes,
see everyone, these two terms are similar. 15xy plus 12xy. Now 3x square is nothing but 3 का square कितना होगा? 9. और x का square कितना होगा? x square. See, in this case, we are opening the bracket. ठीक है ना? In expansion formula, we are not keep all the brackets closed. Okay, what we are doing in this practice set, we are opening the brackets. हम numbers को free कर रहे हैं, है ना? Numbers पहले ना सब घरों में अपने अपने घरों में है और हमको उनको फ्री करना है. सब ब्रैकेट्स में है, हमको उनको फ्री करना है. we are opening the brackets and making the numbers free. ठीक है ना? हमको किसी भी नंबर को पिंजरे में नहीं रखना है. किसी बर्ड को हम अगर केज में देखते हैं तो हमको बुरा लगता है ना कि ये बर्ड जो है वो केज में है ना? तो हमको बुरा लगना चाहिए. एज अ मैथमेटिशियन we won't feel bad if we keep the numbers in bracket. Don't keep the numbers in bracket, just open it. Okay? So what we'll do to open it, sorry. So what we'll do to open this bracket, we'll multiply this bracket to this bracket. Now if this bracket is multiplying to this bracket, that means what? This number is multiplying to this bracket and this number is also multiplying to this bracket. Now 3x into 3x plus 5y plus 4y into 3x plus 5y. Now 3x get multiplying to 3x, that is 3x square. Now 3x getting multiplying to 5y. Now in this case, the students who are not understanding this, what you will do, you will multiply the numbers first. Okay, so 3 5s are 15. X multiplied by y means xy. 4 into 3 is 12. X into y is xy. 4 into 5 20. Y into y square. Now this 3x square is still in bracket. ठीक है ना? तो अभी हम क्या करेंगे, इसको ओपन करेंगे. ओपन करने के लिए स्क्वायर जो है हमको निकालना पड़ेगा. So 3 का square is 9 और x का square is x square. Now 15 plus 12 is how much? फटाफट आंसर करो. 15 plus 12 you can speak. I can see you all. आप बोल सकते हो, मुझे दिखते हो आप बोलते हुए. 15 plus 12 is nothing but, yes, बोलो. 15 plus 12 is 27. Very good, Roshan. Okay, 12 plus 15 is nothing but 27. 27 xy. Okay, 27 xy. And this 20y square will remain as it is. Okay, so in this way we have completed this problem very nicely. ये बहुत डिफिकल्ट दिखता है पर एक्चुअली है नहीं, है ना? अगर आप देखोगे इसको तो आपको दिखेगा कि ये क्वेश्चंस बहुत डिफिकल्ट है, बट एक्चुअली इट इज नॉट डिफिकल्ट, है ना? डिफिकल्ट है सम्स, मैथ्स डिफिकल्ट है. किसको मैथ्स डिफिकल्ट लगता है? मैथ्स इज नॉट अ डिफिकल्ट सब्जेक्ट. ओके, when you feel it difficult, that time only you feel that this is difficult. Don't feel that this is a difficult subject. Don't take this subject as a burden. Okay, this is not a difficult subject at all. When you are doing practice now, you'll feel very happy when you get solution of any problem. All right, see, when you face some problem and when you will get solution of any problem, what you feel happy now. Maths is like the same thing. When you feel this sum is difficult and when you're trying to get the answers, and once you got the answer, you feel very happy when you are doing these things. Okay, so don't feel that this subject is difficult. Don't take this subject as a burden. Okay, it is actually very interesting subject. All right, so again I'm repeating, everyone please pay attention. This 3x plus 4y, 3x plus 5y. 3x is getting multiplying to 3x plus 5y. 4y is getting multiplying to 3x plus 5y. 3x into 3x is 3x square. 3x into 5y, 15xy. 3 5s are 15. First multiply numbers and then variables. So 3 5s are 15. X into y, xy. 4 3s are 12. X into y, xy. 4 5s are 20. Y into y square. Now 3x square means 9x square, 15xy plus 12xy, 27xy, 20y square. So 9x square plus 27xy plus 20y square is the answer. Yes. Thank you very much. This is all for today, everyone. Thank you very much.